So hey guys, it's been a minute since I did a video, especially an unboxing, and I'm super excited because it's been a while. I feel like it's been like almost a complete month or a few weeks since we've received a Shea Moisture box. This one's pretty cool because it's a matcha themed box, which I find extremely interesting. This is the info card that comes in the packaging when we get it with Shea Moisture. It's just regular packaging that says a Perfect Matcha. Well, it means match, but you know. There's also some information on what we received inside the packet. There's a clay to cream cleanser, a soothing toner and hydrating mist, and a soothing eye cream. It also came with some cool tea and a cup. Alright, so as you guys can see, I already dove into the box and put the clay to cream cleanser on my face. I'm gonna bring the camera in the bathroom and you guys are gonna watch me wash it off. So be right back. Alright, so clearly I set up my camera in the bathroom, which I don't have my YouTube lights in here, so the lighting is probably going to look a little different. But I'm going to go ahead and get this washed off my face, and we're going to actually see if it actually turns into the creamer or creamy outcome that it says it's supposed to. So let's go ahead and get this washed off. Be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and got half of that mask off, and I will let you know. It smells like, I thought I had it. It smells like an old Avon product almost, but my skin is feeling super soft. I do feel a little tingling. I don't know what that's from. My skin isn't red or anything though, so I don't think it's irritated, because that's how I would know. But this is just a half and half. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the other half off, and then I'm gonna go use the hydrating mist to show you guys, see what it feels and smells like, because I usually use as my facial mist and toners, but I also have the Shea Moisture toner, which is this one here. So outside of using those and this, I only use witch hazel for a toner. I don't usually tone, to be honest. I usually like that more re-energizing spray for like a facial pick-me-up, or you know, like some facial vitamins or anything. So I don't really tone much, and when I do, I use witch hazel, and I only pretty much use it underneath these eyes, just so that way they don't I don't have dark spots. That's just what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off, and then I'm gonna grab the spray. Be right back. So I went ahead and got the hydrating mist. Says it's a Matcha Green Tea and Probiotics Soothing Toner and Hydrating Mist. This concentrated facial toner with antioxidant rich matcha green tea helps balance redness-prone skin, which I don't have, but it helps without stripping the skin. It's good probiotics to help restore the balance to skin and minimize the effects that lead to redness. Again, I don't really have redness. It says skin is left soothed and balanced. This one seems like it's more of a correcting mist toner. This one seems like it's more of a pick-me-up, which is what I like. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do this one. It says do this right after the clay to cream, and it's actually in the order in here. So you do the clay to cream first, then the mist, then the eye. But you can use this in the morning. It says morning and evening. I'm gonna use it at night and then in the morning. So let me go ahead and do this. I'm going to cover my piercings, because Lord knows I don't have time for any infections or anything popping up on my face. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna spray. So I'm pretty sure you don't need as many spritzes and sprays as I did. I just like to overdo it with the sprays. I don't know, something about a facial spray or a mist, it just makes me feel rich. So I also slightly covered my eyes, just so that way I can go ahead and try to use this. The spray itself, again, it's not going to be something that I feel like you'll have an instant reaction to, unless you actually have a skin reaction. But it feels good, it smells good. It smells like crayon. I don't know, my skin does feel vitalized. I do feel like it's getting a little tighter, but I'm going to go ahead and use the soothing eye cream. It says energize the delicate under eye area with this lightweight color correcting eye cream.
Okay, this is the metal tip they were talking about. Just put a little bit.
Ooh. I'll just go ahead and rub that in. So the eye cream that I use now is an eye cream from Dior. And that eye cream is super expensive, but it works. And I also use Enchanted from Lush. That one's a little cheaper. It's like probably 14 for the small container, like 39 for the big one. I don't think I'm gonna see anything right now. My skin my skin looks good. I'll tell you the best part about these boxes is that when you try out the products, they actually work. Like, the only product that I feel, I won't say doesn't work, like I feel like this is gonna be one of those products that I'm gonna have to wait to really see if something is going on, because I don't tone my skin a lot, like I mentioned. So this probably won't be beneficial to me as far as toning. It says it's 2-in-1, so we're just gonna let that slide. As far as the energizing mist, I like that. I like the way, hold up, I like the way it feels on my face, so I'm gonna just keep using this. This one is definitely a correcting toner. I spray this on and I actually clean. You can actually see it on the little cotton swabs where the actual dirt or whatever debris I have on my face comes off. But right now, my skin feels like amazing. It's actually, I don't know, I feel like my cheeks always glow, but it actually feels like it's, you can see that it's a little glowy right there. I don't have any type of redness or breakouts or anything, at least right now. I actually have never broke out from any Shea Moisture products, so that's one thing I definitely can stand behind, as I stand behind all the other products. And I'm super honest. Like I said, this may be something that I'm gonna have to take a while to see, and it says color correcting, so I'm a little nervous about that. I don't want to correct colors underneath my eyes because they're okay, and they're not really black, which is why I use this toner or the witch hazel. The actual cream to clay mask, I like that a lot. It smells like an old Avon product. I'm not too hip for the smell, honest, but a lot of products don't smell good, so it's just like, hey, I really don't care how it smells. If it doesn't smell bad, like horrible. So thank God, Shea Moisture, for adding, you know, natural products to it, so that way, you know, it has a natural scent. I can deal with the natural scent. I can't deal with like a stinky or like a foul odor, but yeah, and the tea was actually good itself too. So this is kind of like a first impressions vlog video, a review of the unboxing, but I guess as always I'm gonna have to get back to you guys on the products so that way I can let you know how they, you know, are working out. I know one thing, I'm gonna jump to a past product. This right here, I literally have this much left. This right here is the best. When I say the best product Shea Moisture has probably ever came out with, and that is really crazy for me to say because I really enjoy the coconut hibiscus smoothie, because that works really well on my hair. And I also like some of the moisturizers, the facial moisturizers. They came out with a new coconut moisturizer. I'm gonna just do a video of all the products that I've received so far, probably when I get the last box. Save it for that, but I'm gonna do a review on all the products that I like, and you know, we can go forth and see how that works. But this is one of my new favorite Shea Moisture products. Absolutely bomb. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna be the end of this vlog video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, check these products out. Get to your local Target. That's where you probably find them. Yeah, it says available at Target. Most of the time, if it's not at Target, you can probably find it at Walmart or Ulta. And if you can't find it there, then you can definitely go online to SheaMoisture.com, and they'll go ahead and send you out some goodies. Tell them I sent you. Tell them Drew or Trash Talk sent you. They know who I am, you know. That's when I insert ding, the little eye thing. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, go binge watch some old videos. And until next time, guys, I'm out.